Hey, so I have a new camera I want to show you guys. It's the Insta360. It's pretty cool. It's got a flip-up screen. Yeah, I'm excited to use this thing. It's got a really good nighttime mode, I guess. Anyways, we should be getting going on our trip. Good. Road number 2.
Bryce Canyon is closed until May. We looked up all the campsites and they seem like they're closed.
All the dirt roads are closed and we're super confused. I don't know, one of the two. Well, whatever. On our way again.
Join us for the ride. Another one. Everywhere's closed. Nice.
We're going to Escalante, which is 2 hours away, and it's 8 at night. Yeah, I think we're kind of all tired. We're at a pizza place right now. Addie's getting pizza at this joint. So we're gonna eat some pizza and set up camp and then maybe fish. Drove 2 hours for this one and it's not our original plan, but never give up.
Came back with a message in my soul that words can't describe, but I gotta let you know.
We'll just hike around, I think, and then I'll fly the drone through these rocks. Don't really know how to fly drones, and I cracked a propeller already.
No, you wouldn't, baby.
We're determined not to let this trip be a waste. We're gonna go to Sunset Arch.
We'll probably make it by the time we get to the sunset. I don't know, we're pretty ill prepared for this trip. We had a totally different trip in mind. I have a bed full of fishing poles and there's no water, as you can see. We're in the desert. I guess Sunset Arch doesn't have a specific trail, so we just gotta find it. We're on our way through the bushes.
Explain. You would not believe what has happened to me.
Okay, so actually that drone sucks. I'll put in footage just because, but it's pretty bad. Pretty bad camera quality.
You would not believe what I have seen.
We're gonna head back home to cook up some grub, but this arch has been pretty cool and it's secret. I'd rate it 9 out of 10.
No, you wouldn't, baby.
She's done.
When you're gone so far, when you're in so deep, there's no way to escape reality. I wonder if you still recognize me. You would not.
Well, we just got back to camp. It's getting a little dark. I'm gonna cook some tacos in a bag.
You would not believe what my eyes have seen. You would not believe what has happened to me.
Well, we got our camping tacos. Don't have a fork to eat it, so we'll figure it out.
So good though, using a knife to eat it.
Well, we're probably gonna just eat this and go to bed, so we'll catch you guys in the morning. Well, I got you guys hidden away in the truck because it's so windy, you probably won't be able to hear me. I think we're just gonna pack up because there's sand blowing in our eyes and then head out.